Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's so great to have you here. Let me ask you a quick question. Is your life a complete and total mess? I know mine is. But that's okay because this video is brought to you happily by Superclean. Superclean has partnered up with the channel once again to give you guys a free giveaway to you. Now the rules for this competition are going to be exactly as they were the first time that they decided to do a giveaway on the Snowdrift channel, and that is all you guys have to do is go down, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment saying Superclean. To enter in for your chance to win on my Instagram, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, go to my Instagram, give me a follow, and comment on my photo that says Superclean Giveaway number 2. If you're viewing this on TikTok, all you have to do is the opposite. Give me a comment on the video, give me a follow, that helps me out a lot, and then go to my YouTube channel, find the same video, and you guys can get entered in that way too. So those are 3 different ways you can get entered in to win absolutely free a spray bottle and an aerosol can of Superclean, completely biodegradable cleaner. It works awesome. I use it all the time with engine builds and cleaning motorcycles, and it works good on wheels, and I've even used it on countertops and things like that, grills, you name it. We use it all the time, and we really enjoy this product, and we enjoy the folks over at Superclean too. So once again, thank you Superclean so much for doing this free giveaway on the channel. It supports us. I like being able to support you guys. So go ahead, get your entries in, and I'll pick a winner on December the 1st. You've got 1 month. So one more time, that is a follow on my Instagram, a follow on my TikTok, a subscribe to my YouTube channel, and a comment on each one of the individual posts. Absolutely no purchase necessary. This giveaway is completely free to you guys. I'm not asking for any money in return. Just give me a follow and subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for being so awesome, and good luck to each and every one of you.